Mga Pilipino naman tayo. Bakit hindi na lang tayo magmamahalan at saka maghalikan? Charot. Get down. Oh, shit. Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning guys. It's Sunday. Yung mga nangyayari doon sa Davao. Oh my God. My family is in Davao bombing and it is ridiculous. Bakit kaya ganun no yung mga tao? Lalo na yung mga taong galit kay Duterte. Maraming galit sa Pangulo kay Duterte. Sa tingin ko lang yung nangyayari ngayon sa Davao. Sa tingin ko, ang may gawa nun yung mga, sa tingin ko lang ha, opinion ko lang to. Sabi nila NFE rice man yung NFE, ano? NFE rice, yung mabahong rice, NFE. Abu Sayyaf. Yun sila, sabi na nila sila yung dahilan, pero sa tingin ko parang dubli-dubli na yung mga galit kasi Davao ang tinira nila. Yung pinakamamahal na lugar ni Duterte, yung Davao. Tinira nila. Marami pa nga yung nagsusulputang text na na merong mga plano pang iba, yung mga mall, yung sabi nila, nakita ko rin yun sa Facebook, yung nagsusulputang text na may lumalabas na nagpaplanong bombahin yung mga maraming tao sa matao na lugar sa Davao, mga Yangorin Mall, Gaisano, ganyan. SM na malapit sa airport. Yun, nabasa ko rin yun. Bakit kaya ayaw na nilang bakit hindi na sila magpasalamat na meron tayong Pangulo na handang lumaban at handang ayusin ang Pilipinas. Ikakaiba. Kasi sa tingin ko ayaw nila ng ganyan kasi yung Pangulo natin ayaw na sa droga kasi sa tingin ko yung mga nagbibinta or yung mga matataas na nagbibinta ng droga, yun ang ayaw nila kasi mawawalan talaga sila. Bilyon-bilyon yung mawala sa kanila sa tingin ko. Pero alam ko si Duterte hindi yun susuko. Gagawin niya lahat, lalo nilang ginagalit yung Pangulo. Kapag galit yun sobra. At meron ding lindol sa Bislig, kung alam nyo yung Bislig City, yung doon kami noon nakatira, Bislig City. Merong lindol, pangatlo na nga yun, yung cousin ko nagpo-post ng sa Facebook, 5.9, and then yung 6. So yun. Maraming mga galit na yung Panginoon. Hindi na lang tayo magmahalan. Mga Pilipino naman tayo. Bakit hindi na lang tayo magmamahalan at saka maghalikan? Charot. Ay, nako. At how about you, Dimples? What are you doing? Dimplord? What are you doing, Dimplord? Dimplord? Don't knock that phone down. Hey? Ay. Dimples? Hey? Dimplord? So, yun guys. Lang ako nagtataka bakit ganyan yung mga mentalidad at saka yung mga tao kung mag-comment para kung sino naman na hindi na safe sa Davao, akala ko safe, hindi yan pala. So ano ba, kasi maraming galit walang ganyan sa Davao. Yung lindol sana walang nangyari. Are you fighting? That's good. Kiss your sister, Dim Hubs. That's a good thing. You kiss your sister, Hubs. You always fight with your sister. Now it's good to kiss her, okay? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. You're a good girl, Import. Anyway, guys, I'm going downstairs. The dog are sleeping downstairs. I just leave them down there. I went to the bathroom. And of course, the two babies I have here follows me because he wants some dry food. He wants some treats. Too much dry food, too much treats. Yesterday, I don't give them any dry food because, you know, they gain a lot of it. As you can see, they're like heavy cats. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. Why don't we just go back to sleep? Like your sister here, no? Like your sister here. Oh, you're so tired. You too, you're tired. Sit. Sit. Sit, good girl. About this, guys, I'm not sure. I thought it's a mosquito bites, but I noticed the skin is so different. I don't know if you can, doesn't focus really good, but it's poison ivy. My husband told me. He just realized it this morning. It's a poison. Poison, Misty, right? Lie down. Go to sleep. Close your eyes. Night night. Go night night. You can go to night night. We go OUT later, okay? Good girl. That's a good girl. I'm here, guys. What? What? I'm in the swing again. Misty, come here. Come here, Mitch. She's right there. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Look, you came off really fast. Look at that. You guys smell so good. You guys smell so good. It smells so good. Yes. Come here, rocks. Up, rocks. Up. You guys smell so good. Yes, I know. I know, babies. I know. You smell so good now. Smell good. Really don't. Oh, goodness. Don't try to scratch my face, rocks. I'm going to punish you really, really bad. Get down. Oh, shit. Don't. God. I'm scared because her nails is long. Yes, your nail is so long. Yes, your nails is long. And touch long. What is it, Misty? Look. What is that? You're big. Scaring me like. Look at Roxy's eyes. Look at Roxy's eyes. Rox. Stop it. I'm not gonna let you OUT. Do you wanna go OUT? 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 OUT. Roxy's face. Do you wanna go OUT? Do you know what is OUT, Rox? So you don't know how to spell? Yeah, I can't say the word. Do you want to go OUT? Is that the one you wanted? What out? Do you wanna go out? Let's go. OUT. OUT. If I keep saying OUT, they will know that it's out. They're like a smart kid. Do you wanna go OUT? Do you want to go? What do you want? Do you want to go? Do you want some bonesy? Do you want bones? Or do you wanna go OUT out? Do you wanna go out? Do you wanna go out? Is that what you want? Where is out out? Where is the out? Where is out? The crazy dog. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so nervous of your nails. I need to cut your nails really bad. Okay, I guess I have to let them out now, guys. Oh my god, that's so of you. They're following me. I said, come here because I forgot the phone. Look, they follow me. Come here. I'm going out. I'm just gonna get the phone because because Mama forget the phone. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Get going. I have the phone just in case my tummy cold. Stop the fight, huh? Stop the fight. Look at that! Hobbs! He just keep attacking her. I'm just editing the video here, guys. It's already 6:30. Hi guys! I'm trying to end this vlog again. I forgot to end this vlog. So, I'm in my phone. I'm gonna try to do a shout out before I will end this vlog. I'm going to do a shout out to she sent me a message this morning, so I'm gonna do a shout out put in this vlog together. Hi to Naila or Naela, and hi to her boyfriend. Her boyfriend is Robert Turner. Hi Robert Turner, thank you for watching guys on my vlog. Her boyfriend is from Georgia and she's from the Philippines. Right now she's in the Philippines. Robert Turner is gonna be her husband to be. So hi to both of you. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Thank you. Philippines and Georgia. Jug jug jug. Long distance relationship. Jug jug jug. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will end this vlog now. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Roxy, do you wanna say bye? Come here, Rox. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Do you wanna say bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Do you wanna bye-bye? Do you wanna go out? Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? Oh, where you going? Where you think you're going? Do you wanna go out? Okay, guys, I will end this vlog and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm using my laptop right now.